Kelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. So, as you can see by the title, I am celebrating. Yes! I am celebrating today, y'all, because of you and your support, you have helped me reach another YouTube milestone. 10,000 plus subscribers. I am just so excited about that, because that was one of my goals for this year, a short-term goal, and you guys just made it happen like that, and I am so excited about it. So welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube journey. I really hope that you continue to enjoy the content that I put out. If you haven't already, go back, watch some previous videos, just so you know what to expect from this channel. I know a lot of you just recently joined, and I think it was based off of the previous video that I uploaded, which was the 2019 home decor trends, which that video, I'm still floored at the response from that video. So if you have not yet seen it, check it out. I'll link it right here, but the response of that video has been amazing. And so I know a lot of you joined in from that. And I said it because of all of the views that video got. It was like my subscriber count was just going up around that same time. And so a lot of you, I believe, did come from that video. So I'm so glad you enjoyed the content so much that you thought that you would subscribe. And what that means to me is that you would like to see more. And so I do plan to bring you more. And I do want to make sure that whatever I bring and upload is worth your time to watch, or just be inspired by, or get an idea from. So I want to make sure that I'm bringing you quality content. I don't want to just put out videos just for the sake of uploading a video. I've said that before. And so my videos, they may be a little spaced out. I know it's not going to be like months in between, which it has been in the past, like 3 months in between the upload. It's not going to be like that. I do hope to bring at least 2 videos a month. I'm just being realistic. I'm not going to try to do a weekly video or anything like that, but I do hope to bring you at least 2 videos a month. And so, like I said, I do want it to be quality. So thank you so much, guys, for just joining in. Thank you to all of my subscribers that has been here from the very beginning. I remember celebrating my first 100 subscribers. I remember. And I was so excited because, you know, when you first start your YouTube channel, you don't know what the response is going to be like. You don't know how long it's going to take for people to start seeing your videos, if people are going to like your videos enough to even take the time to hit the little buttons and subscribe. You just don't know. And so when I got my first 100 subscribers, over the moon. Then my first 1,000, and then I hit 5,000, and now here I am at 10,000 plus. Thankful, okay? I'm just thankful for the support. Like I've said before, for the most part, you guys are just awesome. You're so supportive, you're kind, you leave kind comments. Every now and then I may get one that's maybe a little questionable, but it's okay. You are entitled to your opinion, okay? That's fine. But for the most part, you guys have just been so supportive and kind and leaving your comment. And I appreciate it. I appreciate your comments and just your support. So thank you so much for helping me reach this milestone so quickly. I think at the end of last year, I was somewhere around 7 to 8, something like that. And so, yeah, so here I am at 10,000 plus. So thank you so much. So as you know, there's a giveaway. So I introduced to you guys a couple of videos back my online Teespring store, I Am Royalty. If you did not see that video, I'll link that down below as well. But what it is, it's my online t-shirt apparel store. It is faith-based Christian apparel, and so I pray that it blesses all of you, whether you're a believer or not. Go on, check it out. You may see something that you like, but that store I introduced to you guys, it's been around. I've had it for over a year now, but I just decided to bring it and introduce it to you guys. So check that out if you haven't already. But I did mention I had several other stores as well, which I will bring to you over time. But one that I'm kind of putting out there and still working on is the Royalty Living. You see a theme here. I am royalty, royalty living. So I have a couple things there already, but for the most part, it's mugs, like coffee mugs, pillows, canvases, and I think that's about all I have now. It's no apparel, but just like coffee mugs and stuff like that. So I am excited to share those things with you as well. So for this giveaway, I only ask that you do a few things. The first thing, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. The second thing is to follow me on Facebook. Third thing is Instagram. I'll link those things below. And then the last thing is to go and check out the store, the I Am Royalty. I'm sorry, no, that's my t-shirt. Got it all mixed up. Royalty Living. Check out the Royalty Living link down below to my online store. Take a look around, and I want you to look at particularly the mugs. I want you to choose a mug that you would like. If you love coffee mugs or whatever, choose a coffee mug that you like and comment. Let me know which one you chose, and let me know what has been your favorite video of mine. Since I've been here on YouTube, what has been your favorite video? Sounds like a lot, huh? But it's really not. I'll leave it all down here. So subscribe to YouTube, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, go check out the store, choose a mug, and let me know which one in the comments so I know which one to send you when you win. Let me know which one you want, and then let me know which video has been your favorite that I put out. And that's all. That's all I'm asking. That's it. So that's what I want to do. I want to give back to you because you guys have been such a blessing to me. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to what this year has in store. I have some ideas that I want to bring to you guys. I know a lot of you from the beginning joined in during my DIY days, and I was doing a lot of, you know, crafty DIYs. I do want to bring a little bit more of that, but I do want to step it up a notch. And so I'm looking forward to bringing you that. Of course, inspiration type videos. I do want to do a little bit more vlog style videos. Like when I go out and I'm, you know, out in the stores, showing you what's out there. Like I do want to bring you some of the new spring stuff that's coming out, so stay tuned for that. Some shop with me's with that. But yeah, so that's what I want to bring to you guys. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you for helping me reach this next YouTube milestone, and I'm looking forward to reaching the next one. So I'm just thankful to you guys for your support. So please do those few things for me so I can get your gift to you. I'm going to do a random drawing. Let's see. I'm going to do it on the 1st. So that gives us a little over a week for you guys to watch this video, check out everything, do all the requirements that I asked. So a little over a week. So I'm going to put that out on the 1st, do a random drawing, and yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Thank you so much for your support. I'm going to go ahead and get off because I got some things to do. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. We did it. Yes. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.